You remember this page here? This is the python.org page that talks about the various modules that are available to us. All these little libraries of this predefined functions and code that we can gain access to. All you need to do is import the module into your project. Now, I mentioned that there's loads of them in there. I'm just scrolling through this page, right? You can see all those various modules that are available to you. Well, how do you learn all these modules? Well, one, you're taking a course, right? And you're in the middle of a Python course right now. And hopefully you're learning a little bit about the syntax of writing Python code, but you're also learning about the various keywords, how to use them, and so on, right? There it is for you. You're welcome. So also, you've got the python.org site that you can get out to. If I find one like the math module we were just taking a look at, I can find that, I can click on it, and it'll take me to a page with the mathematical functions. And here they all are. There's the ceiling function, talk a little bit about the ceiling function, return the ceiling of x, it's the value that you pass it, x there, the smallest integer greater than or equal to x. So you might recall this was the ceiling function, right? I passed in 3.2 and I got 4, all right? Return the integer back to me. Now, if I keep scrolling through, let's see, we used another one in there, right? There's a good one. Is NaN is not a number. You want to be able to pass in a value and determine, is this not a number? Let's see, loads of them inside there. Okay? And I'm just skimming through here, but they're going to give you each of the functions. They're going to describe them to you. A great resource for you to use. Now, I do want to show you something else as well. I'm going to minimize that. Back inside of your Python interpreter, and here in this case, I'm working inside a Python shell, we can utilize a keyword here to help us figure out what the module contains. And what's inside of the math module? Well, we can find that by browsing the internet and going looking there, like the python.org site, or I can do this. I'm going to import the math module once again. There it is. Let's just confirm. Okay, there it is, module math. It's built in. It's available to us. It's always going to be there. Now, I want to learn a little bit more about math. What does math contain? Well, I'm going to bring in the dir keyword, or dir, and I'm going to pass in math. That's the math module. I'll hit my enter key. And now I've got all of the functions that math module contains. See if we find ones in here that we're familiar with, or at least ones that we mentioned there. We got is NaN, remember is not a number. We've got the sine function. We've got the pow, your power function. We've got, let's see, what's the one that we use? We got ceiling, we got floor. You got all of those functions right there, just utilizing the dir keyword. Pass in the module, you can figure out what that module contains. Try this out, get a feel for it, import the math module, make sure that it's there, and then use the dir keyword and have it output the various functions that module contains.